I'm Megan. I run the page called Apps by MW, and today in this video, we are going to go over how to use color assets with SwiftUI. I've already started up a blank project, but let's describe what we're going to do for a little bit of it. So the first thing we're going to do is cover how to add a color assets, then how to use color assets in a view. So like maybe we wanted to change the text color. And finally, how to use a color asset for system light and dark mode. So let's jump into how to add color assets. So when inside Xcode, there should be a folder that says assets.xc assets. Go ahead and click that, and then go down and hit the the little plus sign down there. Once that's been tapped, you can then select new color set. Then you should probably give the color asset a name so you know what you're talking about. We're going to call this text color. So once it's been named, you have these options in the inspector here. The options are what device you want it to run on. So maybe you have a color per device, which can be useful. So universal means it's going to work on anything, or you could just check, hey, there's a Mac version. Also, then you can have then once you click on it, you can also change your color here. So if we wanted this to be a blue, but maybe that's too blue, maybe we'll add in some green to make it a little bit different than the system blue. There we go. So that's basically what it takes to make a color. We've color mixed our color. Let's go ahead and actually use this in our view. So this is step 2, how to add color assets in a view. So in text, we're going to change this to dot color or dot foreground color. Then we're going to give it a color with a UI color. And then, so this is a name. So once we've created a color asset, it's actually a named UI color. And we named it text color. And then it's going to be upset because it is an optional. So we're just going to force unwrap that to be dirty. Now when we hit resume, it should change it. It should go. And we'll see that it's that cyan color. That is exactly how you use a color asset in a view. So now we can take the color asset a step further and actually use it to distinguish a different color for light and a different color for dark. So if you notice, kind of in the canvas here, it's a little too light. So that would be like a really good dark, so that if it was a black background, it would be okay. So let's see, we could actually change this. So to do that, what we do is under content view, we hit color scheme, and we hit dot, and we say dot dark. Which right now it doesn't do anything. So what we need to do is go back into color assets and actually assign it different colors. You can then go under appearance and say what you want, a light and a dark. So we'll say dark is fine, but light actually needs to be a bit darker. So we take out some blue, and we'll actually make the any be a completely different color. Cool. So now you can see our light is a dark color, darker color, our dark is a lighter color, and any is just a different color whatsoever. So now if we go back to our content view, we hit resume, we should see the text still stay the same color because it hasn't technically changed. It's still dark according to our preview. Now if I change this preview from dark to light, you see it changed color. It might be a little bit more apparent if I change this to a completely different color whatsoever. So now it's pink, and then whenever I go dark, it'll be blue. And that's really how easy it is to use it inside of Vue. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Check out my Buy Me a Coffee page at buymeacoffee.com/appsbymw. You can read my blog posts at blog.appsbymw.com. Anyway, again, thanks for watching.